It's very nice up here. I'm in ATENEA SKY, and I have to say, apart from being quite hot and a little bit of a lack of shade, it's very nice. The views are absolutely fantastic. Over here we can see the Mascletà de la Catedral de Valencia. Probably hear that. But and on this side, you have the town hall. So it's very nice. So yeah, I'll do a review, have a little look, and let you people know. It was nice having the invitation here, by the way. So that's what this is all about. I had an invite in the week from ATENEA SKY. They're interested in collaboration. So here today, they said come and view the Mascletà from our bar, and I said, wow, why not? Anyway.